Okay, so this is the, it's like a big hub. It's not other than that. Plastic, cheap plastic. I don't care as long as it works. And this is the 4 base. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see, but those are the base for let me give you more light, sorry. The base for the USB-C. Oh my God, I cannot see anything. But those are the base. So, for instance, you bring an external USB-C hard drive. You should be able to put in there, but guess what? For instance, this is my Crucial. Doesn't fit in there. So it's meant for not everything, right? It's maybe some cases will fit, like the SABRENT and smaller, but this one particularly, Crucial X8, doesn't fit. So, but starting with the wrong fit. But yes, some will fit inside. Then you got the here the power and the USB-C to plug your computer. Charger comes like this with the multiple countries plug. Obviously, I'm going to use the America, and that's it. I will discard those two. You plug it here. You plug to the outlet. This thing has only one right way to go, which is this metal part. In the top lid is the fan, and this is the power communication module for the power of the fan, and that's it. A power button, fan button, and the indicator of what bay is active. So it's a it comes with a nice USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's it. Glorified hub. So it's a hub for 4, but again, theoretically, for instance, this is meant to adjust to the right width of your hard drive, right? However, even at the biggest setting, this one doesn't fit. Some others it will, but we start bad, not very impressed, but depending on your needs and the cases you have, could be a good tool for you. In particular, I'm kind of disappointed with the adjustment features. Thank you for watching.
Really good. Look at this. Can port 4 hard drive. It's magnetic. take space. That's the size.